Hi, this is Gail and welcome. So today I thought I would share with you the little accordion book that I made for Tracie Fox's 5-tag book. Now I had to get a little creative on the last page because I did my book differently than hers and I needed a 5th page, I felt. So I created my own little collage out of things that I had in my stash, and I can't really give credit for whoever those printables came from because in all honesty, I don't know. They're like a lot of cut up pieces of things that I had just sitting around. So I'll start with the beginning. So here is the first page. I've added some dangles. Kind of got carried away with the dangles, using up some I had around. So there's a little mushroom. And this is the first page. Now, I should share with you that this is made from coffee sleeves and envelopes. It's something I came up with, and I'm sure someone else has probably done it before, but I have not been aware of it. Okay, and so all I did was, I'm getting out the goodies, is I took coffee sleeves that my son gives to me, and then I took a used business envelope. These also came from my son, and cut it in half, glued it inside, and then you have this nice pocket that you can slip a tag into. And then I decorated it, and voila, and accordioned it. So this is the first page. And these are the tags I created. I did purchase the kit from Tracie, so I would have more options to put on. And I think I did go in and took time to find some more gingham, because for doing bits and pieces of this, I felt I needed more gingham. So I think that is something I found on the net. Okay, so here's the first tag using her kit. And then on the back, I used her little tuck spots, and I created that little tag using all of her goodies. Everything is sewn. And then this tag with that pocket, and voila, and then added the little trim. So that's one side, and I'll put her back in here. I just love her. She's so cute. And so now we open the accordion. So inside here, I have created this little pocket. And this is an envelope that comes with her kit. And then inside this big pocket is this tag. Oops, inside here. That's where that goes. And what you're seeing is the back of the other tag here. Okay? So there's that. Now onto the orange and yellow page. Okay, so I made these. Oh, yeah, that's white. A long time ago, according to a video I had seen. If I can remember who it was that did the tutorial on those, I will put it up. I want to say Paper Inspirations, but I'm not sure that's correct. No, or Paper Terrace. I can't remember. I'll look for it. And so I did add a few little sayings throughout from Artie Mays, and this was not also part of the kit. I added that from my stash. And then over here, again, an Artie Mays saying. The rest of everything is totally Tracie. This is not, this I believe is a Caroline Crabtree little person. And then I did use her pocket. And then this beautiful tag. All of that is from Tracie's kit. So that slips in this little tuck spot here. And now I'm going to move it out. Oh, that's right. There is a yellow page. Orange and then yellow. Okay, so love that. And in this outer pocket, I have this little tiny tag. And again, all from Tracie. Then there's this one. This one I put together from bits and bobs that I had in my stash. And then this one, again, I have added some things from my stash. This I know is from a bird book. Okay. Then I will show you the other side when I flip it over. Then we get, whoop, that fell out. So here we go. We're moving on to the blue. And here I created this little tuck spot here. And I'm just checking to make sure I hadn't done that in the other. So this one is totally from her kit, except for this top part. And I made a little pocket there. I put the little envelope that came with the kit. Now she did do freebies online, and I started downloading those, and then I went over and bought the whole kit, because I knew I would need it in order to do what I wanted to do. So I'll put that back in, and this is on this side of the pocket. So I'll show you this one. This is from a bird book. And I think I did add this little saying in the bird that are not part of the kit. And we'll slide that back in. I used just a little bit of muslin to do the, oops, this goes in here. To do the joint there, the joining together. And you can see this is the purple page that I added with the bead dangle. I created my own masterboard out of lavender images that I had in my stash. This little tag looks really cool when you can put it in the light and see through it too. But it is something I made quite a while back from watching Bohemian Crafter. This is acetate, and there's some stamping and alcohol ink, and a little bit of collaging on it as well. And then this is my lavender tag. This is all pretty much from the collaging of the masterboard. Okay. And the lavender gingham in a little pocket there. Okay, and you see my dangle. So now let's flip it all the way over. And let's take a look at the side. Okay, so this is the back of the lavender page. This is some of the collage. I made a little tag And again, those are just from things I had in my stash, so, you know, I don't plan on selling this, so if those are not all copyright free, I apologize. But I do things for my own personal use. So love this little girl. And then over here, this one I know is from a bird book. So there's that tag. Okay, and then you're seeing the back of the tag we just looked at on the other side. Okay, now back to the blue. And this one has the outside pocket. And there we go. This one has a pocket on the tag. This is such a beautiful image from her kit. That one as well. Love the blues. There's the tag. I know the bird and this are from my stash. Okay, and so there's that. And that fits in the outside pocket. Okay, on to the yellow page. And let me move this out a little bit. I added this little dangle here. I'm kind of overdoing it with dangles, I know. But I've had these forever. Haven't used them yet. Whether I'll keep them here or not, who knows. So here's the little teensy tag from Tracie's kit. And the tag that went inside the pocket. Okay. And I've already shown you those. Okay, so on to the orange. And this is from my stash. Again, that might be a Caroline Craft Tree person. Cute little tag. Very cute. Okay. And then inside, we have this tag. Again, the bird is from a bird book. And there's that side. This is all Tracie. So, beautiful kit, by the way. To me, it was worthwhile to get the additional pages, so I had enough to work with. And you've already seen the front cover. So, we'll just accordion this up. And voila, there you have it. And there's the front, and there's the back. But really, I can't really tell what's front and what's back, in all honesty. It's all the same to me. Any rate, this was a super fun challenge by Tracie, and I so appreciate everything that she does, her generosity and her freebies, and the wonderful inspiration. So, thank you for watching. I will be back with some items that I have won in recent giveaways in the last 2 to 3 months, and then also some tags and other goodies that I've been creating. So, thanks for watching. Please stay safe, stay healthy, get out there and create something, find your joy, follow that joy, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.